హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. సో మన ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోలో మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం? 2² ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ గురించి నేర్చుకున్నాం. అండ్ మనకి ఇంకా 2³ 2⁴ అండ్ 2⁴k విచ్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఫెమిలియర్ ఆర్ సిమిలర్ టు ది 2² ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అనేటివి ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతున్నాయి అంతే. సో ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయినప్పుడు మనకి మెయిన్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఇక్కడ 2³ ఏంటి 3 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కదా. సో మెయిన్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ విల్ బి 3 అండ్ ఇంటరాక్షన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ విచ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ABC. సో we get AB, BC and AC. సో 3 ఇంటరాక్షన్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. And the treatment combination increases, the linear model will be changed, right? So these are the small differences. And today we are going to learn the 3² factorial experiment. This is not the same way as 2² factorial experiment. So here first you need to write the definition. The 3² factorial experiment is the arrangement of this is L power f, right? The arrangement of 2 factors each with 3 levels that are 0, 1 and 2, or else you can denote it as -1, 0 and 1 is called as 3² factorial experiment. So A has 0, 1 and 2 and B has the 3 levels 0, 1 and 2. So here the 3² is nothing but 3 into 3, that is equals to 9. So we have the 9 treatment combinations with 3⁻k-1 degrees of freedom. This k is nothing but the factors. Here the factors are 2. So 3⁻2 minus 1, that is 9 minus 1, which is equals to 8 degrees of freedom. So 9 treatment combinations with 8 degrees of freedom. And we have only the 2 factors A and B. So the one factor main effect each with 2 degrees of freedom, and the interaction effect, one factor interaction effect with 4 degrees of freedom. So total, which was equals to 8. Now let us draw the layout of 3² factorial experiment, which will be like this. This is the factor A and the levels, we can write it as levels are A0, A1 and A2. And this is factor B, which has the levels B0, B1 and B2. So we denote the levels as 0, 1 and 2, right? So 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. So first we will take the x-axis 0, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. And here 0 and 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 0. This is 2, 0, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 2. and here we denote it has y1, y2, y3, and this has y4, y5 and y6. This is y7, y8 and y9. This column is nothing but the total of the low level of B0. This is low level, medium and a high level. So B0 is equals to this total column, right? And A0, the horizontal, the first row. So B0 is nothing but y1 plus y2 plus y3. So y1 plus y2 plus y3. And B1, which is equals to y4 plus y5 and y6, the second column. y4, y5 and y6. And the B2, which is equals to y7, y8 and y9. y7, y8 and y9. And make another column here. So if you can differentiate like this. And here A0. A0 is equals to y1 plus y4 plus y7. y1 plus y4 plus y7. And A1 is equals to y2 plus y5 plus y8. And A2 is equals to y3 plus y6 plus y9. Now let us write the treatment combinations. Till now we know there are 9 treatment combinations, but we don't know what are those treatment combinations. ఒక నంబర్ 9 అనే ట్రీట్మెంట్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఉంటాయని తెలుసు, కానీ ఆ ట్రీట్మెంట్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఏంటి అనేది మనకు తెలియదు. మనకి 2 స్క్వేర్ ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్లో ట్రీట్మెంట్ కాంబినేషన్స్ 4 ఉన్నాయని చెప్పినాం. అవేంటి 1 A B AB, ఇవే కదా మనకి ట్రీట్మెంట్ కాంబినేషన్స్. బట్ 3 స్క్వేర్లో ఆ ట్రీట్మెంట్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఏంటో ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. The standard treatment combinations can be written as A here, B. ఇక్కడ A ఫ్యాక్టర్కి చూసుకుంటే గనక దిస్ వాజ్ A, రైట్? 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2. సో ఈ ఫస్ట్ కాలం ఏదైతే ఉందో ఫస్ట్ కాలంలో దిస్ వన్. సో 0 1 2 and this 0 1 2 0 1 2. This one 0 1 2 0 1 2. And B is nothing but this one. This is A and B is 0, and this is A, this is 0, right? 0 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 2 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 2 2 2. In this way we can write the treatment combination for the 3 square. And we can also represent this as in another way. For example, if you take A, here B. Another way is like this. If you see 0 1 2 or else -1 0 1. So if I can write like this here, 0 is -1 0 1, -1 0 1, -1 0 1, and here 0. So -1 -1 -1 0 0 0 1 1 1. So now let us see in the next video what are the number of main effects and how many interaction effects we have.